What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video today. I just wanted to show you how to back up your iPhone without using iTunes and without using a computer. So pretty much all you would need to do is just go into your settings. Then you just want to type in, I'll just type in backup, just like that. Once you type in backup, then you want to come down here to iCloud backup is on. All you want to do is hit iCloud backup, and you can back it up over Wi-Fi, or you can back up your data over cellular, over your cellular connection. But all you would need to do is just hit backup now. Go to continue, and now it is currently backing up your iPhone. You do not have to plug your iPhone into iTunes. You can do it that way, but this is a lot easier because this is backing it up to the iCloud without iTunes. As you can see, it tells you about a minute remaining, and it's just backing up my information, and I already have some information already backed up, but I just wanted to do this again for the sake of the video, show you that you can back up this is how you would back up your data, because there's people out there that do not know how to back up their data on their iOS device. So I just wanted to make this video to let you see that you can back up your data to iCloud. It just says automatically back up your iPhone so you can restore your data if you lose your device or get a new one. And it's just simple as that. So pretty much you would just let that run, and once it's done, see, as you can see, it is moving very fast there. If you have a good Wi-Fi connection, this will go very quickly, but if you have a bad connection, then it could take a while. But my Wi-Fi connection is pretty good, and and boom, just like that, it is done. So it said I downloaded 1.1 gigabytes of data today. That was today at 12:20, and it'll just show you all the apps that I backed up that I have on my device. So pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.